Hello, good morning, good afternoon, again, whatever time you are watching this. I will have a hard copy of this. This is the assignment schedule of a hard copy of this when we meet on January 27th. But I really encourage you, if you aren't able for some reason to make it that time, to print this out. Students love using this to keep them organized when it comes to the class. So this is the assignment schedule. Again, you will find all this information in the syllabus. But students tell me that they prefer this version much better because then they can actually print it off and then check off each week when they submit homework. So at the top you'll see, obviously the start dates, the class name, class number, so forth. So if you look at the left-hand side, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Look at the left-hand side as week. So week 1, 2, 3. So this coordinates with the folders that you see in Blackboard. And then the due dates. And then what chapter you'll be working on. So keep in mind, so as you can see, we won't be doing chapter 2 or chapter 3. So we go from chapter 1 to chapter 4. And then what review questions are due. So make sure you're looking at that because it's not, 1 through 5 or whatever. I select different questions specifically. And then other homework. So other homework might include discussion boards. You've got a couple different industry papers that are due, questions for interviews that I mentioned. You're going to create a FAM tour. If you scroll down, you're going to see later in the semester something that says special event project. So there's 5 parts to that. So each part is worth 100 points. So keep that in mind. And then you see your quizzes on the right-hand side. So each quiz covers 2 chapters. And then the only chapter that's not included is chapter 18, so just make a note of that. You won't actually have a quiz on that chapter. So again, print this out. You will receive a hard copy of it when I see you on the 27th. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks and have a great day.